Vibingwithfred. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage I put together this morning, my routine. And, this could be a morning routine and a nightly routine. I do want to say a lot of you guys are so focused on the women aspect of self care, or not even, you're just focused, you're not even focused on the self care, you're focused on more of the women. And you're not focused on the self care. You're not getting your hair cut. You're not doing any type of facial uh, routine or regimen as far as bettering your skin. You're not doing anything as far as trying to fix your teeth. Uh, you're not grooming, right? You're not shaving. Um, you have to figure out what women like before you try to cold approach or say what women don't like. And I feel that that's what a lot of you guys are not doing. You're neglecting self and then projecting it onto other women, right? Again, how can you cold approach and your haircut's not fresh? How can you cold approach if your skin is not on point, right? How can you cold approach if your beard is all scruffy and rough, all right? How can you cold approach if your teeth not straight or your teeth are not on point, right? Ask yourself, are all these things, and they don't have to be perfect, but ask yourself, am I doing the best I can with what I have, or trying to, if I have the finances to better upgrade these things, am I doing the best that I possibly can within my means, right? Because again, these braces and my teeth got straight within, bro, I would say weeks, maybe a month max. I've had them for almost a year now, but very, very quickly my teeth got straight. And it cost me anywhere between $13 and $17 a month, bro. Maybe less. And it's not really an excuse. Now, again, in the United States, dental care is obviously expensive, but a lot of you guys travel. In a lot of these countries, you can get it without even being a resident of the X country, right? So it's not an excuse. Women of these other countries like men who are well put together. They might not be financially put together, but they are um, externally put together. And you have to see what everybody else is doing in these places that's getting the best result. So ask yourself, are you doing the best that you possibly can? A lot of you guys are so focused on what women or who they're going for, what they're not doing, whatever the case, and a lot of you guys are just not doing the necessary things to get the best result. And you're taking low hanging fruit, and there's no disrespect to anybody, but why settle for the least when you can get the best or top tier? That's how I look at it. But that's just my take on it. If you guys are interested in any other products, right, you can go to any of your malls. I'm not sponsoring this video. This video is not sponsored. These are just personal items that I use. And yeah, so just do what you can with what you got. The fact that you're trying says a lot. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want more videos like this, let me know. But I get personal DMs and personal emails. People ask like, man, what do you do as far, what do you suggest for a guy that has this, has that? First of all, if you're doing any skincare routine, you need to exfoliate. You need to have a nightly serum. You need to have a daily wash. You need to figure out what your skin is. All right, if it's oily, if it's dry, if it's a mixture of both, you need to figure out what your skin is. You can do online exams for this. You can go into person to certain malls and stores. They will literally do a face scan and show what type of skin that you have, and they will obviously direct you to whatever products that you need. All right, and again, do not need to go cheap on skincare, because this is something you need to put in a little bit of money for, right? It's an investment. So anytime skincare, um, any outer care products, inner care products, they're all going to be expensive, because it's worth every dime. So don't go cheap on anything. You don't go to the Dollar Tree trying to get skincare lotion or hydrating cream. None of that type of stuff, bro. Get some shit that's gonna work. All right. Now, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. Like, come subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.